welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some Minion dipped pretzel rods. Now I made these for our recent trip to Universal Studios to check out the Minion world and give them out as favors to my daughter's friends. These are super easy to make, so grab some pretzel rods, some candy melts, and some sprinkles, and some of those fun candy eyes. That's what really seals the deal that these are Minions. Now here's a fun and easy tip for doing these. Grab a jar or a glass, something that's tall, and line it with a piping bag. Then we're gonna melt our candy melts. I'm using yellow in 30-second intervals in the microwave. You could also use a double broiler, or if you have a chocolate melting pot, that will work as well. Make sure you don't get any water into your chocolate or your candy melts because that will harden it. Then you're just gonna dip each pretzel and go as far up as you want, and then sort of fling it back and forth so you remove any of the excess candy melt, and swipe along the edge so that you have a nice flat edge for the back side. And then you're just going to do that for all of your pretzel rods. Now, one 12-ounce package of candy melts did about 20 pretzel rods for the base dip, and I had enough left over to do some decorative designs. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the tip off of that piping bag and then use that just to drizzle and create some texture over all of them. So I'm just coating all of them, and that'll just add some really cool texture. Now let's add some more texture with these little candy sprinkles. I'm using yellow here because I want to go for that real yellow and blue Minion look. Now before these get too hardened, I like to just lift them gently just to sort of release them from the parchment paper lining, and that will help you when you're completely finished with the project. Okay, now let's do some blue candy melts. For this, I only did half a package because I'm just using this as an accent color. So I melted it the same way in those 30-second intervals, and then I'm gonna pipe it and drizzle it all over the top of my yellow color. I've also got some blue sprinkles that I will use on top of my blue candy melts. You just sprinkle those right on top. Now you could omit this if you wanted to, but I love the extra little bling that it gives these. Now for those eyes, I'm using the blue just to create some big dots there, and then I'm sticking those eyes right in there. Some of them I did 2 eyes, some of them I did 1, some I did the eye up top, some I did the eye down low. You just want to make them like Minions, all a little bit different. Now let those harden, and that shouldn't take too long, and then you will clean them up just by kind of peeling away any of those extra pieces that are hanging over, and that'll make them look nice and pretty once they get wrapped up. It's really simple. It'll just pop right off. Look how cute these look. Now let's get these packaged up. They make clear cello bags that are for pretzel rods, and you'll just open that up and slide one in. And you could use a twist tie to seal this off. You could use ribbon. You could fold it over and staple it and add a little card if you were doing a party favor. For this, I'm just doing some curl ribbon in my blue and yellow color, and I gave it a curl on the end. And look how cute these turn out. Thanks so much for joining me for this tutorial today. Please drop a comment if you have any questions. All of the kids really love this little treat, and of course we had such a good time at Universal Studios seeing our favorite Minions. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back here with another theme park adventure for you.